That's a nice clean slide. Now you can go slide your way out. YouTube, as you guys can see, man, today's video, we got the slides. Today's slides we're gonna be doing a cleaning. This cleaning is on the Yeezy slide Resigns. Boom, as you guys can see there, we're gonna be doing this. We're gonna be doing cleaning on the slides. These slides get very, very dirty. A lot of people got a lot of questions about these slides. So if you guys got any more questions, drop them below. I'll try to answer. I'll put this back over there, and here we have them right here. Yes, we have these bad boys right here. We got these joints, and they are beat up. Not even beat up, man. It's just normal wear. This just happens, man. This just happens normally. You know, as you guys can see, I got mine right here. These are the bones. I did an unboxing on these. If you guys have not seen that, make sure you guys go watch that as well. But it's just a normal wear, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to clean these. This is gonna be the full out clean. If you guys need help cleaning or unboxing or anything like that, just drop the comments below. But yeah, we better get right into this. Just like it's like I always say, man, go grab a bucket, go grab a toilet bowl or something that holds water. So I'm gonna grab a bucket, and I'll be right back here with you guys in a minute. And also, man, it doesn't even really matter about what soaps to use, because this is like a rubbery material, so it doesn't really matter if you guys want to use soap or some type of cleaner. Go ahead and do it. I'm about to go ahead and get my cleaners. You go ahead and grab yours. You can get soap, dish detergent, anything like that. But yeah, set these right there. I mean, you can grab any types of soap, whether you get in, you can grab the Spider-Man, oh snap, whether it's the Spider-Man soap, you can grab some Spider-Man soap, it's Batman soap, or you can just grab, man, you can grab whatever you want, man. All right, you grab whatever you want. We got these here. You know what? For the video, I just do a little bit of both, a little bit of everything. You know, boom. Just a little dab of that. Actually, I'm not gonna do that because I don't really like that smell. Give it a buck. I don't like that smell. Boom. That's what we're gonna do. What we can do is basically just let these sit in here. Now I'll let these sit for exactly 2 minutes. It doesn't take long, man. Exactly 2 minutes. When you let them sit in here, obviously you want to get the whole shoe wet, whole slide, I should say, wet. So this is the perfect. So I'm gonna let this sit for 2 minutes, and I'm gonna come right back with you guys, and also let it sit for 2 minutes. Like this video if this helped. Like I said, it doesn't matter the soap, man. It really doesn't. But what you want to do. Do is we're going to make sure all 4 sides of the slide is properly wet. Once you get that properly wet, you can take a hand, a rag, your ex's toothbrush, anything that you like, because it's what you like, people. It's what you like. Boom. That's all you have to do, people. Because basically what the water does is it breaks down the dirt and all the elements that's been stuck on your shoe, your slide, anything you're cleaning. So I'm not here to sell you guys on the soap. I'm here to guys to make your life better. I'm not here to sell you on what kind of soap. This is not a sponsor, but this is that good. This is where a lot of people miss. Even though people, you're not going to see this part. You don't want to let any dirt get built up. This bottom part right there. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. There you have it. Dip it one last time. Once again, grab your ex's shirt or wear whoever shirt you want to grab, your brothers, your sisters. Just don't let them know you grabbed it. Dry it off. Boom. That's a nice clean slide. Now you can go slide your way out. You feel me? Then you're gonna apply the same techniques onto another shoe. The other slide. I keep saying shoe and a slide. Boom. You guys can see that. You guys already know I'm coming back with the positive vibes, the positive energy. I'm really thankful you guys watched this full video. You guys made it to the end. I hope everything I've shown you guys worked. If not, apply it and then let me know if it helped. Like I said, man, I really believe I was put on this earth to help somebody, and as long as I helped somebody, that's all that really matters. You know what I mean? I don't really care, you know what I mean, anything about as long as it helped, you know what I mean? Like I said, as long as it helped, I can care less. So if it helped, drop the comments. I'm glad, I'm happy, you know what I mean? Because these are techniques that I do, you know what I mean, every week. So if I can spread that positivity, spread that love, spread, you know what I mean, some type of awareness of how to get ahead in life, then yes, I will do that. You know what I mean? I'm placed on this earth to help you. And hopefully I did that. But drop the like button, subscribe. You guys already know how I'm coming each and every day. We're dropping videos. I'm working. You know, we got releases, we got unboxings, we got news, shoes, reviews. We got a lot of videos coming. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to spread this positivity. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. It's been warm outside. It's been pretty nice. I've been wanting to just run outside, you know what I mean? But you can't because it's virus. A lot of things in the air. You know, it's a lot of things in the air right now where you really can't just go out there and do what you want to do. Make sure you're masked up. Future, you know what I mean, masked up with the mask on. You know what I mean? Y'all been going to these grocery stores. You've been shopping. All these germs on the carts. All these germs everywhere. So everybody just be careful when they come out there. Be careful. But back to these SLIDE slides. These Yeezy slides are very comfortable. You guys already know that, man. If you don't know, man, now you know. But they're very comfortable. I did an unboxing on the bones and on these, but I don't know if I uploaded this video or not. I don't even know. You know what I mean? I be dropping so many videos. I don't even know. But if that's up, that's up. But I know that the review of the bones is up right now. So after you watch this video, you guys gotta watch that full video as well. So we got that unboxing. We got the other Yeezys. I got the top 10 Pippins. I got a lot of videos on the channel, man. So you guys, please stay subscribed. I'm gonna just end this off, you know what I mean, hopefully with a little bit of footage from you guys. So stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. I love each and every one of you guys. Continue to spread positivity. That's the only thing I'm gonna continue to push. You know what I mean? Anything else is not worth my time. It's not worth my energy. So you guys think about that next time somebody try to pull you in some negativity. You think like, is it really worth my time? Is it really worth it? Because it's really not. It's really not. Keep your shoes clean.